Hello, we're doing checkpoint 4.4. They want us to find the domain of this function. H of x, y, and t is equal to 3t minus 6 times the square root of y minus 4x squared plus 4. All right, let's break this down to a couple of parts. This part over here is a polynomial, and with a polynomial there's no restrictions, and t lives here. There's no t's on this other part, so there's no restrictions for the variable t. Okay, so t can be anything according to what that's saying. Now for this part, we remember with the square root that we want the stuff under square root to be positive. So the restriction here will be that y minus 4x squared plus 4 has to be, well, not just positive, but it can also be 0. It has to be bigger than or equal to 0. And I suppose the easiest way to describe this is to bring everything else over to the other side. We have positive 4x squared, and then we're subtracting 4. Now, I'd like to say that this is a parabola, but we're describing something that has x and a y and a t variable. And so this would be kind of a parabolic cylinder going along the t-axis. So if the t-axis was going straight up, we would imagine drawing a parabola on the xy plane and then sweeping up along the t, because there are no restrictions for t. So that is that part. And if we put it all together, since there's no restrictions on t, we just need to write this equation. So our domain is going to be given by D is going to be all the points x and y and t, and that's a t. Used to putting z there because that's usually our third variable. In this problem, though, they want to use t. And the only restriction, or we can say that this thing lives in R3 if we want, because it's a three-dimensional domain, such that, and then we'll just simply put this equation: y is bigger than or equal to 4x squared minus 4. And then we'll close that, and that's our domain. Okay, hope that helps.